Good morning. My name is Brian Guy and I'm the SCHUNK Regional Sales Manager for the Mid-Atlantic region in New York State. I'm here today to talk a little bit about flexibility in automation. A lot of times, a barrier to getting into automation could be that you have a high mix, low volume, and therefore justifying the return on your investment could be challenging. SCHUNK offers some great tools to offer flexibility in your automation process that can allow you to tackle those high mix, low volume applications. To start with, I was going to talk about tool changers. SCHUNK offers a variety of different tool changers, but some of our premier lines are our SWS automatic change and our CMS manual tool changer. The SWS tool changer uses a ball detent, and what this does is this allows the robot to come to a rack of tools that are stored inside your machine, and the robot can come over and pick up a new tool. Maybe you go from a 2-jaw to a 3-jaw gripper, or you need to go to a magnetic gripper or a vacuum head. And this just allows a fully autonomous way to add flexibility and change your end-of-arm tooling to do multiple operations within one cell. Also, we have electric modules and different sealing fluid feed-through modules, as well as high vacuum flow modules that can go on to the tool changer that gives you the ability to switch between different media feed-throughs like signaling, communication protocols, or even welding. It's very proven, very repeatable, very durable, and it's something that we stock and support very strongly. Now, doing it automatically can sometimes be more complicated than just doing it manually. So we also offer our CMS product. The CMS is a very similar concept in that you have a master side and an adapter side, and that these connect together with a manual lever, which has safety built into it, locking sensors and everything can be added. We have axial and radial feed-throughs, just like our automatic tool changers. And we can add modules, like we mentioned, with communication protocol feed-throughs, signaling feed-throughs, high-flow vacuum. And then we also offer storage for all these as well. So different applications require different levels of complexity, but this is a very simple way for a customer to redeploy a robot or change tooling in a machine and give them high flexibility in a very quick fashion with a very proven platform. Now, changing the tool is one thing, but in some cases, you may just need a simpler solution to adding flexibility, in which case we could look at something like a quick finger change. So SCHUNK offers a variety of different ways to do this. What I have here today is our manual quick finger change. So in this case, you press the button and you take your finger off, and now you can actually just swap the finger with another type of finger or a different offset. So if your parts are just getting bigger and you want to add quick flexibility with manual intervention, then the operator can just come over and you can do a changeover of the fingers. Another option would be our slide jaws. Our slide jaws basically have a locking collar here, and then you loosen the collar and you can adjust the offset this way. So if your finger profile fits your part ranges, but they just get larger in diameter or larger in width, then you can use this, and there's a slide gauge on the side here that allows you to have repeatability with where you place these, and an operator could just quickly come over, reset that distance, and then lock the finger down. So that's just a couple ways we have to do robotic automatic change. We have manual quick change, and we can go all the way up to over 1,000 kilograms in our automatic tool changer. It's very impressive. Our manual tool change comes from ISO 40 all the way up to ISO 125, which is a standard bolt circle pattern in the industry. If you have any further questions, or you'd like to learn more about how to add flexibility to your process, reach out to your local PennAir salesperson, and they'd be happy to help you, and we can connect and find the right product for your application. Thank you.